The next step in my mixing workflow would be to apply dynamics and EQ to all the tracks in the mix. I'm going to select all the tracks, and Komplete offers a couple great EQs and dynamics plugins. But for this, I'm going to stick to the solid dynamics and the solid EQ because, well, they fit the solid bus compressor really well. So we got a virtual SSL board. Those are the EQs. This is the compressor. And I want you to pay attention really well to what the dynamics does to the kick without even doing something. Have a listen. It's a bit louder. It's probably an output thing. So I could turn this down a couple dB. But if you listen really close, you will notice that there is a little bit of extra snap to the kick. The solid dynamics has got two fixed attack times, fast and slow. Here's the threshold. You can choose a hard knee or a soft knee setting. The ratio is at 4 by default. You can boost the input a bit to get a little bit more level into the plugin. And there's the release time. I'm not going to use the gate at all. Don't think I'll need it, but I can show you how it works. So here we go. See, that way I can get rid of what's in between the kicks. There's clearly a loop from somewhere. But again, I'm not going to use it because I don't need to. I like what's in between the kicks. And I'm going to try to compress it a bit for a bit of extra snap. And I'm curious if you can see the catch on this plugin. Here we go. There's not a lot of stuff happening, right? Well, the catch is that the threshold is the wrong way around. Well, actually, this is the way it is designed on an SSL mixer. So this is probably the only SSL Dynamics clone that has it right. Usually on compressors, you bring down the threshold, like so, to trigger the compressor. But in this case, you bring it up clockwise, and that lowers the threshold. That's the catch. See, there's nothing. This is compression. The meters are not really showing anything yet, so I'm going to boost the input. And there you got compression. But to be honest, not sure if I need it, so I'm going to turn it off for this. Let's go to the loop here. I think that could use a bit more energy. And I like to check EQ and dynamics against the other tracks. So I'm going to add the kick here. Yeah, liking what I hear there. The right certainly can use a little more energy. It's a bit weak. Yeah, I think I like that. How about the guitars? Here are the chords. And you know, actually, this is one of the only SSL Dynamics clones that I know of that does sidechain compression really well. So maybe I should select the kick here. Nice. A really nice sounding curve. All right, let's go to the other guitar track. Now, this has been compressed to death already. Maybe the trumpet could use a little. You heard my little cut-up trick there. Yeah. Trumpet is such a dynamic instrument, it always needs a bit of compression. So I think that's about it. Let's go to the next tutorial and find out more about that solid EQ.